Hi Jack, this is Heidi over at Taylor & Sons Chevrolet in Sandpoint. This is the '04 Chevy Tahoe that you were inquiring about. I'm going to go around the exterior of the vehicle and show you condition as well as the interior. We'll go ahead and start with the passenger side. The front fender and doors are in nice condition, no dents or dings in any of them. I know you had mentioned tire tread. I do have this tread tester here, and I just wanted to show you that it is still in the green. So you could probably run them another summer, depending on your comfort. Front wheel is in good condition. You do have your steps into the Tahoe. Those are factory. Coming to the back here, pretty good condition. There's the back wheel. Coming along the back side here, there is one small ding in the back lift gate here. There's your tow package. One tiny little ding in the bumper. Nothing serious. Window's good. Coming along the driver's side, this back panel here does have a little scratch, but I think you could probably buff that out. It's not very deep. It's the back driver's side wheel. Good condition. Both doors, no dings, no dents, and very minimal scratches. I don't think there's really any scuffs on those doors or the front fender here. It's the driver's side wheel. Windshield is free of any cracks or chips. The hood here is very straight, no scratches or dents. Front grille here I think was changed by the previous owner, and then they put that bug guard on it as well. Okay, so it does have a roof rack. It does have cross rails as well, which is kind of nice if you do any loading on top. So Lauren had mentioned you wanted to see condition of the seat. So this little booster here is showing a little bit of wear. We do have a gentleman named Billy who is really great at upholstery repair. So this is something we can absolutely show him, and he can make it look like it was never even there. Here is the boosters on the sides. You had mentioned the width of these. They still have lots of cushion. Otherwise, there's no tears or rips in the back of the seat. Steering wheel here, your radio controls and your Bluetooth controls, driver information controls are all on the steering wheel. Your four-wheel drive options there. It does have auto four-wheel drive, so an all-wheel drive option, 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Pretty standard center console here with your radio and dual climate control. I do want to show you the miles on the vehicle. So 54,471. Very low miles for the model year. Center console here is actually in really nice condition. No big gouges or scratches on it. Go to the back here. Now these seats are like new. Doesn't really even look like anyone sat back here. And that was probably the case. I believe it was an older gentleman that owned this vehicle. I believe he bought it new, and just a local guy here in town. Some controls back here. The carpets are in good condition. No smells or big stains or anything like that. Those mats are really nice to protect the carpet. Come around to the back here. Oh. These seats you can remove out. It does have the third row, which is good. Sometimes the seats are gone, but these ones are like new condition. Doesn't look like anybody even sat back in them. Go over to the passenger side here. Show you condition of this seat here. This seat is really nice. No tears or rips. Does show a little sign of getting in and out, but the dash is nice and clean. No scratches or cracks up on the dashboard. Show you the carpet here. Yeah, it's pretty darn clean. Oops. All right, Jack, so that's the 04 Tahoe that we have here. If you have any other questions or comments, you can always give us a call and we'll get this emailed over to you. Thanks, Jack.